Hey everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations. And today I'm going to put another diamond painting in my diamond painting journal. But first I have a review of this particular diamond painting I got from the Dollar Tree. This took a little while because I kind of lost the will to work on it. The symbols and the numbers were really dark. It was extremely hard to read. I had to get my phone, take a picture, and resize it so I can see what the number was. And so it was very difficult. There's not enough space on here, so I did not like it at all. I just didn't. Some of the colors were pretty, but you know, you gotta enjoy the process, and I did not enjoy the process of working on this particular diamond painting. Like I said, they kept popping out, and now it's supposed to be a mushroom house, but this is the house part, the windows, the door, the little path here, and then the mushrooms right here. So what I'm going to do, this is my first one and my second one. We're going to mix some colors together. I got this on a haul from Walmart. We're going to open it up. Can't find my glue, so I'm hoping a glue stick will work after this dries. It won't take long to dry. We're going to use this color here, this color here. We're going to kind of mix them together. This color. We're just gonna see how this turns out. Yeah, that's what I was hoping for. And like in here, this kind of thing going on, so it stands out. And it's not gonna be perfect. It's not what I'm looking for. Oops, I got a little paint on my table. Gonna add a little more. Sorry for the lighting. My new light stand's not working properly, so probably gonna send that one back and get a different type. I'm not happy with it, and not working for me, so I gotta use this temporary one. So the lighting is just not as good. Gotta hurry and get this done because there's other things I gotta be doing. But I really wanted to I've been putting this one off for a little bit. So I'm gonna let this dry and we'll be right back. All right, I am back, and what we're gonna do, this is dried. I'm gonna take my glue stick, which I'm hoping will work because I can't find my glue. Okay, let's add this on. So, a little question for you all. I was debating on painting this. I did on my last one. It was the cowboy boot one, which is this here. Right here. Painted it pink. This one here, I have not painted. I haven't decided. Let me know in the comments down below if I should paint this. Like a light purple or something. Like this color, something like that. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. And now we're going to add, hopefully this will dry, but we're going to add some stickers on. As for stickers, I have some mushrooms, some little butterflies, and some larger butterflies. So I'm going to probably add a larger butterfly. Get this in there, or get this out. So I'm thinking about adding this one. I think this will go well. I'm not sure where to put it. Let's see here. Get that away. Right here. Maybe right here. I don't know. I think on top would look good. So I'm going to add a little glue on the bottom of this sticky. And let's put it right there. And now we're going to add some mushrooms. So I'm deciding to add one more butterfly on here. And add a little glue stick on the bottom. And I'm going to put it right here. Kind of got it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add some mushrooms. Kind of on there. These are cute because they have little glitters in them, so I thought they were really cute. I don't know where my tweezers are, but I'm going to get a new pair. So kind of blends into it, doesn't it? Just kind of adding some mushrooms down below, so we'll fast forward this part. So this is what I got now. We add a couple of butterflies. Like maybe one sitting here. Maybe this out a little bit. One sitting here. I love butterflies. They're super cute. Yeah, a couple of these little flowers. And put these. And then point this down. So that's what that's looking like. And then I'm probably going to add a couple on top. Coming down here. Alright guys, this is my journal. What do you guys think? I want to thank you all for watching and supporting my channel. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. If you are new, let me know. If you have a channel and I haven't subscribed to you already, please let me know down below. And I'll head over and subscribe to your channel. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you don't mind. And leave a comment down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.